So, yesterday in our class, 10 students got an opportunity to meet with Deputy Commissioner Sir, Mr. Aditya Uppal. Now, everybody share their views about them.
We reached there. We reached there at 1:40 and to meet the Deputy Commissioner Sir at time at 2 p.m. Before meeting DC Sir, we met with the PCS Employment Officer. We talked that Sir's nature was very humble and polite. We asked about that Sir asked about our hobbies, name, etc.
Sir said that some students think that for UPSC only arts is there, but it is not that. For UPSC we can take any stream in 11th-12th.
We met Deputy Commissioner Mr. Aditya Uppal at 2 p.m. in his office.
To crack a UPSC exam, it's not that much easy, but Sir has cleared this exam in first attempt only, and he also motivated us to crack any competitive exam in first attempt.
Aditya Uppal sir has studied from the Patiala from Thapar College, and he has done non-medical engineering in mechanical engineering, and after that he told his story, and he has done the job of 1.5 year in the Honda company, and after that with this job he has done the preparation of this, and he has chosen the non-medical, so he has done the maths, physics, chemistry, and with maths and physics he has done the general studies also like history, civics, and geography, and after that he told us.
Sir said that after listening any topic, we should ask queries to them. When we ask question to the teacher, our base will clear. And he said that we have to prepare for IAS after completing the school. We should not prepare for IAS while schooling.
Sir said you have to give effort in your English reading skill and you have to read newspaper daily.
Sir said you can prepare for IAS from any stream of +1 and +2. Sir said right time is in college. When you are in college, you should prepare for IAS. Don't prepare for IAS from 9th to 12th class. You should study for your studies only.
The scenario of his room was very good, and PCS officer told us he took our interview, and after that sir said to write. Sir said daily you write what you have learned, and make one diary and write anything which you have learned from that day.
Sir said there is no competition with others, competition with ourselves, and if we score good marks, then we will get the admission in good college.
Sir said, I am the boss of IAS officer. Then Sir said, Sir said, I am the boss of IAS officer in the district Pathankot. There are 6,000 to 7,000 people are working under me, and I am the boss of this institution. Then Sir said, for clearing IAS officer exam, English skill is very needed. We have when we have learned something, and we have to write schedule from morning to night.
Sir said to take the UPSC exam we should have a graduate degree or be in the last year of the graduation.
Sir said you should do writing practice daily.
Sir said that 10th class and 12th class is very crucial, so do hard work and will take the better marks.
He is in the heart of golden nature, and he told that 9th to 11th is the base of the UPSC, and after the eligibility of this paper is after 21 years. So up to the 21 years we have to done our graduation, and then sir told about the UPSC syllabus, like from the 6th to graduation, SST, maths, and etc. came in the paper. So we should do the practice of NCERT, Exemplar, and other books.
Sir said that we have to read newspaper daily and we have to make notes after reading the newspaper.
Sir said if you get seat in the good college, the job is in your hand.
Sir said don't matter if you have done engineering because 40% of engineering and 20% of doctor they are participating for IAS exam.
We met with AFPA sir also. He was the ground in charge of the AFPA. He told us, Ishan asked to sir one question and sir told that answer. After that we discussed the thing with the DC sir.
We should not start the preparation in 9th class. In 9th class, we should focus on our main subject. Whatever you want to become, just start working on it.
Sir said in the district Pathankot total 140 IAS officer is there and the 40% officer is engineers.
Sir said although to crack the UPSC exam is difficult, but with hard work everything is possible.
Sir said it is not necessary to preparation from of that UPSC. You can do 9th syllabus.
Sir said it is not necessary to take the art stream only. You can take the medical or medical commerce also to become an IAS officer.
Sir said we should have self-confidence in ourselves so we can do anything, any interview. It is not very difficult if we have self-confidence.
If we want to become an IAS officer, first we have to clear UPSC exam. The full form of UPSC is Union Public Services Commission.
Sir said you have to take motivation from yourself.
Sir said to become an IAS officer, you will get 8 bodyguards with you, etc. Sir said I have studied to become an IAS officer. I have studied 16 to 17 hours in a day.
Sir has shared his experience where he worked for IAS officer and he told the difference between Patiala and Ludhiana and Patiala and Pathankot, and he told that in Ludhiana or Jalandhar very pollution was there, but in Pathankot the pollution is not there and the mountains are also there in Pathankot.